And NASCAR fans, this is NASCAR Fan 05 with another diecast review. Today's diecast review is Chase Briscoe's 2023 number 14 Mahindra Tractors Ford Mustang for Stewart Haas Racing. Again, as I'll continue mentioning with all these diecast stickers until I'm not able to get any more, stickers are going away for good, or at least for the time being. From now on, which according to Lionel is a way to keep the cost down. And that means possibly, aside from a few other cars there, this could be one of the last stickers we ever look at. And you can see on the sticker you got Mahindra Tractors 14 Chase Briscoe. And it's probably meant to be the design of the car, although more actually looks like an actual Mahindra tractor in the background. Alright, now let's get on to the car itself. On the hood you got Mahindra Tractors, Ford. Down the left side you got NASCAR Cup Series, NASCAR 75th Anniversary 14, Highpoint.com, Mahindra Tractors, Ford Performance Racing School, Rush Truck Centers, Magical Vacation Planners. On the B place you got Ford, Haas, Tooling, Coterie Associates, number 1 Rush Truck Centers. On the C place you got Renault and Gear Wrench. As you can see, this is pretty much the paint scheme Briscoe's had since first starting on Mahindra, but now it's got a bit of much splattering and a tractor tire on. On the back you got Mahindra Tractors, Mobile 1, Ford Michigan license plate 14, official tractor of Tough. Same stuff on the right side as the left. On the deck you got Mahindra Tractors, and on the roof you got 14 and Mahindra Tractors. Anyway, this is NASCAR Fan 5. See you guys next time.